Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to fix rejected payroll payments. Now, a rejected payroll payment can feel stressful, but don't worry, I'm going to help you figure it out and get things back on track quickly. So let's get into it. The first step, you got to understand why the payment was rejected. So first, you got to log into your Gusto dashboard and navigate to your your payroll history. So if a payment was rejected, Gusto will flag it as a status like failed or returned. Just click on it to view the rejection reasons, and this is the key to resolving the issue. Common reasons include incorrect bank details, closed bank account, insufficient funds, or bank account not verified. Step 2, fix the underlying issue. Now, once you know what went wrong, you want to take action as quickly as you can. So if the employee's bank information is incorrect, you want to ask them to update the direct deposit details under their profile. If there was an insufficient fund, then make sure your linked business bank account has enough to cover the payroll amounts. And if the employee's account is closed, have them add a new bank as soon as possible. Step 3, rerun payroll or issue an off-cycle payment. Now, after the issue is corrected, you want to return to the payroll tab. If Gusto allows, you can resubmit the payment. Otherwise, you'll need to create an off-cycle payroll to send the payment again. Make sure to double check all payments information before submitting. Step 4, communicate with the employee. Now let the affected employee know that the payment was delayed and what you're doing to resolve it, because transparency builds trust. Step 5, monitor the resolution. Now once the new payroll is submitted, you want to monitor your dashboard to ensure that the payment is successful. You're also going to see a confirmation once it's processed correctly. Bonus tip to set up notifications. So to avoid surprises in the future, you want to enable email or app notifications in your Gusto settings so that you'll be alerted of any payment issues right away. And there you have it. You just learned how to fix rejected payroll payments using Gusto. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Gusto tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next one.